so excited to start my new chapter here, my new year. We gonna make it work. Yeah. Hello, my beautiful people.
So rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak. And try to stop out of my mountain. I want to play in your deep.
MTV Craves, is that you? Come into the house. Come into the house. Hello, my beautiful people. What's poppin'? What's good? It's your girl, Mami Tiff, and I am back again with another video. Y'all, I am so excited because today I'm showing y'all the apartment that I've chosen. If you haven't been subscribed to me or following my moving journey, you definitely should go check out my apartment hunting video. But basically, this is the one that I chose. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all guess before I say it. Drum roll, please. I picked number 5. Yeah! So I'm so excited. This apartment is completely different in terms of the way it looks. It's brighter from my last and previous apartment. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the empty apartment tour. So when you first come into the apartment, to the right is Le Kitchen, okay? You know we're gonna be cooking it up in here. Yeah. These are some nice white cabinets, never had that before. We here now though, period. I'm so excited, y'all, to like cook in this kitchen. It's fully GE stainless steel appliances, all of that. One thing about this entire apartment unit is that it is wheelchair accessible, which is why there's an empty space here. For someone who is in a wheelchair that would like to prepare their food, I am not wheelchair accessible, so I actually found this little like IKEA unit, I guess you should call it, to put here. And you know, listen, you gotta subscribe so you can stay tuned to how I'm about to furnish the place, because we doing a little something up in here, honey. We doing a little something up in here. Okay, now on the opposite side across from the kitchen, I have the washer and dryer, also GE again, stacked, very nice. Gonna be doing, you know, the laundry there. And then we also have the hall closet. Listen, it's empty-ish. It's empty-ish, okay? Relax. But it's very deep, y'all. It's a whole, we can have a whole party in here. Okay, y'all, so for the bathroom, I apologize. The fan is going to be running a little bit just so you can see part of the bathroom. But let's go ahead and see what it's talking about. Okay, so when you first walk in, we walk into the tub and shower area, which is very luxe, very nice. It's giving spa, you know, it's giving spa. I did not realize how freaking tall this shower head is put up at. So I'm definitely going to be bringing it down here a lot because your girl is 5'4". Okay, and then across from the tub and shower combo is literally this big space of wall. And so I'm gonna have some opportunities to like fill up the space. I think I might get like a storage cabinet to go right here, and then maybe some form of like another bathroom stand. I don't know, but you know, we can get a little creative with it. And then here is the sink area that has a big vanity, and again, the white cabinets follow into the bathroom as well. And then, you know, we have our toilet to watch TikToks on, because what else would we be doing? And then if y'all remember from my last year's empty apartment tour, I had these beautiful glass shelves. I don't know, something about it giving aesthetics, you know? And welcome to my closet. So yes, there is a sliding door that separates the bathroom and the walk-in closet. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep these things here, y'all. We're gonna start off with them, but I think I honestly wanna reorganize this in a different way. This walk-in closet is definitely smaller from my last apartment, but it's still a pretty like decent, huge size. Like by all means, like this will be enough. It will be enough. We gonna make it work. We gonna make it work. And then moving on to the bedroom, it's giving lighting, honey. It's giving lighting. Puriana. On this back wall, I think I'm gonna put my bed, and then the wall across from it, I'm gonna put like my TV, dresser. And what I will say that I love so much about like my view is that the fact that I get to look at this beautiful green space and the Anacostia, okay, period. And then against the windows, I'm probably gonna put my desk here so I can, you know, look out at the beautiful view. And then on this side, I don't know what I'm gonna do here yet. It might be kind of like how I have it now in my other room, which is like a reading corner. I have a cute chair, a bookshelf here with my books and whatnot. Now to finish up this tour, the living room. Okay, so with this space, y'all, I honestly think I'm gonna split it up between like half living room and then like a nice dining area, you know, cute little table, couple chairs, and basically put like my couch here as a divider, and then my TV on that wall. And then behind the couch, I'm thinking I'll get like a cute little like dining set just to like put here. And I don't know, I really think that'd be so cute so I can look at this beautiful view like as I wake up in the morning and eat my breakfast. Yes. And then yeah, y'all, this is a beautiful view from my living room. Like, stop playing with me. Yeah. But yes, y'all, that is the entire apartment. I hope you enjoyed this empty apartment tour. I know I did. I am so excited to start my new chapter here, my new year. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.